Meet Maya. She's in 6th grade, and tonight she's staring at her math homework with the most confused look on her face. The problem says, graph x is greater than 3 on a number line. She's thinking, open circle, close circle. Which way do I shade? Sound familiar? Don't worry. By the end of this video, Maya and you will be graphing inequalities like total pros. Let's go. So, what even is an inequality? Maya remembers equations, like x equals 5. That has exactly one answer. But an inequality is different. When we write x is greater than 3, we're saying x could be 4, or 5, or 10, or even 3.5. Any number bigger than 3. That's a whole range of answers, and a number line is the perfect way to show all of them at once. Pretty cool, right? Before we graph anything, let's learn our 4 symbols. Think of the inequality sign like a hungry alligator. It always opens toward the bigger number. Less than, greater than, less than or equal to, and greater than or equal to. That little line under the less than or greater than symbol, that means the number itself is included. That detail is going to matter a lot when we draw on our number line. Maya wrote these in her notebook. You might want to too. Here's the big secret to graphing inequalities: the circle. When the number is not included in the solution, we draw an open circle, like a little empty bubble. When the number is included, we fill it in with a closed circle, like a solid dot. So if we have x greater than 3, the 3 itself is not included, open circle. But if we have x greater than or equal to 3, boom, closed circle. Maya highlighted this rule in yellow. It's that important. Once you have your circle placed, you need to shade. Think about it this way. Shading shows all the numbers that make the inequality true. If x is greater than 3, the solutions are 4, 5, 6, numbers to the right of 3, so we shade right. If x is less than 3, solutions are 2, 1, 0, numbers to the left, so we shade left. The arrow at the end of the shading shows that the solutions just keep going and going. Maya finally gets it. Shade toward your answers. Maya came up with a 4-step method that she uses every single time. Step 1, draw your number line. Step 2, place your circle, open or closed. Step 3, shade in the correct direction. Step 4, and this is Maya's favorite trick, pick a test number from your shaded region and plug it back into the inequality to check your work. If it's true, you're golden. If not, flip your shading. This 4-step method makes every problem feel manageable. Let's practice it now. All right, this is the exact problem Maya had on her homework. X is greater than 3. Let's use her 4 steps. Step 1, we draw a number line from 0 to 7. Step 2, we locate 3 on the number line. Since the symbol is strictly greater than, no equal sign, we place an open circle at 3. Step 3, x is greater than 3, so our solutions are bigger numbers, to the right. We shade right with an arrow. Step 4, S number. Let's try 5. Is 5 greater than 3? Yes, our graph is correct. Open circle at 3, shading right. Now let's try one with a closed circle and shading to the left. X is less than or equal to -1. Step 1, draw our number line from -4 to +3. Step 2, locate -1. The symbol is less than or equal to, so we use a closed filled-in circle at -1 because -1 is a solution. Step 3, less than means smaller numbers, which are to the left. We shade left with an arrow. Step 4, test -3. Is -3 less than or equal to -1? Yes, -3 is smaller. Closed circle at -1, shading left. Nice. X is greater than or equal to -2. Step 1, draw a number line from -5 to +3. Step 2, locate -2. The symbol has the equal sign underneath, so we draw a closed filled circle at -2. That number counts. Step 3, greater than means bigger numbers, to the right. Shade right. Step 4, let's test +1. Is 1 greater than or equal to -2? Absolutely yes. 1 is bigger than -2. Graph checks out. Maya is on a roll. 3 examples down, and she's nailing every single one. One more. X is less than 0. This one uses 0, which sometimes trips people up. Step 1. Number line from -4 to +4. Step 2. 0 is our boundary. Less than, no equal sign, open circle at 0. 0 is not included. Step 3. Less than means to the left, so shade left. Step 4. Test -2. Is -2 less than 0? Yes. Negative numbers are always less than 0. Open circle at 0, shading left. And here's a bonus question. Is 0 itself a solution? Nope. That open circle means 0 is left out. Great job following along. Sometimes teachers flip the challenge. They show you the graph and ask you to write the inequality. No sweat. Just reverse Maya's steps. Look at the circle first. Closed means you use less than or equal to, or greater than or equal to. Open means strict less than or greater than. Then look at the shading direction. Shading right means greater than. Shading left means less than. See a graph with a closed circle at 2 shading right? That's x greater than or equal to 2. You're reading math like a map now. Okay, here's Maya's challenge problem, the one her teacher put on a quiz. She sees a number line with an open circle at -3 and shading going left. What's the inequality? Let's think. Open circle means strict inequality, no equal sign. Shading to the left means less than. The boundary number is -3. Put it together, x is less than -3. Maya writes it down, double checks. Test -5. Is -5 less than -3? Yes, -5 is further left on the number line. Maya gets it right. She does a little happy dance. That's the power of understanding your steps. Look how far we've come. Remember Maya staring at her homework totally stumped? Now she can graph any inequality in 4 smooth steps. Let's do a quick recap. Open circle means the number is not included. That's for strict less than or greater than. Closed circle means the number is included, for less than or equal to and greater than or equal to. Shade right for greater than, shade left for less than, and always test a number to check your work. You've got all the tools. Go show that homework who's boss. You've totally